This is the Xiaomi 12T, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as it is widely known, you cannot get Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store app. So, first of all, open any search engine that you'd like. I'll go with Google, then type in Fortnite. God damn it. Fortnite APK. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Go for it. Once the web page gets loaded, tap on the download the app from Epic Games link. Confirm that you would like to download the file by tapping on the download anyway option. Then open the file. Prior to installing it, you gotta, give the permission to, browser or search engine that you use to install unknown apps. Give me just a second. So downloads. Here it is. So just go to the settings, turn on this little toggle, confirm that you are aware of all the possible risks and dangers that it might bring. So wait until the OK button becomes active, then tap on it, confirm the Epic Games Launcher installation. Once the security scan gets performed, open the Epic Games Launcher, tap on a black Get button in front of a Fortnite and yellow button that says Install. Now we'll wait for the Fortnite to download and we'll proceed further. From here, once the Fortnite gets downloaded, as you can see, you are facing the same dialog window we had previously while downloading the Epic Games Launcher. That says that we gotta allow this app to install unknown apps or install apps from unknown source. So just do the same thing we did previously. Confirm that you are aware. Wait for the OK button to be tappable, and then confirm the Fortnite installation like so. Now we can launch the game, and all that is left to do for us is to wait until the Fortnite will download all the necessary updates and resources. As you can see, there are 6.26 gigabytes of them. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.